Thank you for choosing U-Haul for your propane needs. Let's take a minute to discuss tips about propane care and usage. When transporting your tank, make sure it's upright secured in a well-ventilated area. While on the road, head straight to your destination and immediately remove it from your vehicle. When using your tank, only use it with appliances in areas with good airflow. Never use it indoors, such as your home, garage, or shed. Securely connect the tank to your appliance. Grab a spray bottle with soapy water and give the connection a good spray. Then turn on your tank valve. If you see bubbles, turn off the tank valve, disconnect everything, and wait about 5 minutes. Then reconnect the appliance in the tank and do the test again. If bubbles keep appearing, disconnect the tank and the equipment again. Have your tank inspected at U-Haul. Contact your appliance vendor to have the other equipment inspected. When your tank isn't in use, be sure to store it in a cool, shady spot with plenty of air circulation. Never store your tanks inside. To prevent rust and corrosion, avoid placing your tank directly on the ground. Portable steel tanks have a usual lifespan of 12 years. Once they hit their expiration date, they need to be inspected and recertified, or properly disposed of, and then purchase a new tank. If you're looking for more safety tips, download the U-Haul app and find the propane section. Stay informed and stay safe.